We're back out on the claim and we're just setting up and just going to go in our normal spot just up along here. It looks like it's been all washed out. Quite a lot of I've had a lot of rain, a lot of water. Apparently had 150 mils last week or so. Yeah, so I was just down in here last time. So yeah, I'm going to go way up there to start up there. Someone's obviously done way up there. So I'll start going through there somewhere. See what turns up. The river's still a wee bit up, not up as high as it was last time because it was way up over here somewhere. So it's down a wee bit, but yeah, still up a fair way. Jade's just setting up the box. So we'll see how that goes, and yeah, nice day, beautiful day. Unfortunately we don't see the sun, it's just sitting over there. You never see the sun here now in winter. It's probably about, I don't know, 5 degrees I suppose at the moment. So yeah, quite chilly. But, yeah, so we'll just cruise through and I'll come back to you when I've got something else to report. Alrighty, back soon. Alright, punched a big hole. It goes down quite a way down to the bedrock, which is a wee way down. So it's just above my shovel, but I had a bit of a landfill, fell in off the top, so it goes down about another foot further than that. So, and that's to the bedrock. So it's probably done, I don't know, almost 20 buckets I suppose. 20 10-litre buckets at the moment. So that's as big as the hole's got. So I'm just going to dig out and try and get that. There's a big rock just sitting right there, so I'll see if I can get that out. And then, yeah. So that seems to be going okay. Jade's just down here doing the sluice. So. Hello, Jade. Yeah, it seems to be going alright. Slow. That'll be interesting to see what's in there. Seems to be going nicely under there. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, roll on summer so I can get in the water. It's a bit cold at the moment. Anyway, I'll show you something else later on when I've got some more news to show. Alright, hard man at work there. Oh, that looks like hard work, Jade.
Nah, it's easy. Got light buckets now.
Alright, back soon.
Well, we've had a bit of a quick clean up. And that's what we've got out of about 20 odd buckets. 20 10-litre buckets, which isn't that flash really, so normal. Jade's just going to clean that out, see what's in that. Normally he catches that's in the front piece of his mat, which is this minus moss, which is normally where he gets most of his stuff. So I think what we're going to do now is we're just going to clean this out, pack up, go have some lunch, and then we're going to go up the river and go and have a little bit of a look around up there, see what we can find. So yeah, so I don't know whether we've just dug in someone else's hole and where I'd start digging, or yeah, whether it's running out there, or maybe it's, you know, the line's further over this way a wee bit further or something. I don't know. But yeah, certainly I was down at bedrock and cleaning that out, so didn't really see too much. So
Anyway, onward and upward. Alright, we'll catch up when I got something else to report.